Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to share a full review of Credit Karma and what it's really like to use the app and website for your credit and financial tools. Credit Karma is a free service that helps you track your credit score, view your credit report, and get personalized recommendations for things like credit cards, loans, and savings accounts. One of the biggest benefits is that it gives you regular updates on your credit score from the major credit bureaus, so you always know where you stand. When you first sign up, Credit Karma walks you through creating an account and entering some personal information so it can pull your credit data. Once you're in, you get a dashboard that shows your score, trends over time, and factors that may be influencing your score. It also highlights suggestions for improving your score and products you might qualify for. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, and the mobile app makes it simple to check your score on the go. The credit simulator is a helpful tool for exploring how different financial decisions may impact your score. And the alerts keep you informed about important changes like new accounts or credit inquiries. That said, Credit Karma isn't perfect. While it offers scores from two of the major bureaus, it doesn't provide all three, and the scores may differ slightly from what a lender sees. Also, the product recommendations are based on your profile, but applying through Credit Karma still sends your information to third-party lenders, which could result in a hard inquiry on your credit. Overall, Credit Karma is a solid free resource for monitoring your credit and getting a snapshot of your financial picture. It's especially useful if you're working to improve your score or want to stay on top of your credit report without paying for expensive monitoring services. If you've used Credit Karma, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if this review helped you, please like and subscribe for more honest reviews and financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.